Okay, here's a wrap up. I forgot to apologize about the wind out there. It was kind of brutal today. We had 1,000-mile-an-hour winds. Anyways, here's my linear coin collage. Best of it probably be the 3 quarters and the wonderful dimes, pennies, and nickels. And this is my trash over here. It didn't do too bad. This was my surefire quarter. It rang up 12.46, and I thought, oh yeah, 2 inches deep, it's gonna be right on top. It was on top, just barely, and you can see what my quarter looks like. And this is my child's pinky ring, and let's just say it's probably, yeah, it's gold, and it's got copper coating on it. Alright, got a question for Super Drew out there. I can't remember what year nickels that are more rare than others. It was like in 2005 or 7. Give me a shout out if you can remember that for me. Alright, sorry I don't have a wonderful musical intro like Super Drew does. He's got a class act over there. So enjoyed his webcast, and that's it for now. Batman6561 signing out. Till we dig again.